Hi, I'm Responsive and I'm going to be showing you 5 tips for Unity. First, click Create 3D Object and click Plane. Then wait until it loads. After it loads, you'll have a plane and set your camera to any height. At the time that you set your camera, you can see it in the view. That would be here. Now we go create a sphere. You would think it will have physics already. Well, no. Just when you start it, it will just be an ordinary sphere. You'll be wondering, how would I add Rigobody? Rigobody means physics. Add Rigobody, but if you're in a 2D template, just add Rigobody 2D. Add Rigobody, then you can set if it uses gravity. I click yes, because it will use physics. You can set to freeze every rotation so it won't turn. Also position, but I won't do that. And after doing that, there's another tip. If you go here, click material, you can set whatever color you want the material. I'll just pick green and place it. Now we have our sphere. Then, as you can see, it's collide because it has a sphere collider. If it didn't have, it won't collide. And if it doesn't, it will just pass through. So if the two of them has colliders and one of them has Rigobody, it will physics go down. But if the mesh collider can't have Rigobody. But if they both has, it just keep falling down. So you can't add Rigobody to mesh colliders. So now start this. We can start the scene, and here we go. As you can see, it falls to the floor. We can also duplicate it. We can duplicate it to lots of things. I've been wondering how I can do it fast. Well, another tip is that if you click Control D, you can duplicate. Instead of just left clicking, you just click Control D, you duplicate. And be careful of duplicating like that, or just do like an explosion or go apart. All the balls will separate apart and explode like that. Some of them roll and fall down. But what happens if we freeze all the balls' rotation? I do it like this. Go to Rigobody. Now we can freeze all its position minus Y, and all its rotation. It will just fall down, keep it the same place. What will happen? It won't fall apart. It'll just do an explosion upwards. Oh wow! There we go. It's like suspension. It does. Well, that's another tip. And so there you go. Those are some tips for Unity. Those are some tips for Unity. See you in the next showcase.